So I'm feeling kind of bummed out from yesterday and today. It's kind of trickling down. My bummed outness, due to the fact that it's an anniversary, but it's not an anniversary that anybody would want to celebrate or be proud of. But 2 days ago, I would say 3 days ago, was my birthday, Monday, so that was pretty good. But yesterday was the anniversary of my nephew passing away, and it still takes some used to getting to. It still hurts, not knowing that he's not gonna be around or anything. But my feelings and the way I feel right now, it hurts because I see all my family that knew him or that not knows him and that was close to him and everything, and they're all posting pictures of him. And I'm going through my timeline and my Facebook and my picture gallery and things like that, and I don't have one picture that I could use with me and him in it, and it hurts. I'm doing my best right now to fight tears right now because of something that's so simple, and yet I didn't take the time to do it, or I didn't get around to taking a picture with my nephew, and I'll never get the opportunity to do that again because he's not here. And it sucks right now, man. It really tears me up right now about this situation with me and my about the current state of my nephew and me not able to do what I want to do. Comment on the description down below, man, if you have something that you regret from a loved one that you didn't get an opportunity to do, and just vent. I'm venting right now. Little stuff. The little things count in relationships, and that's just how I feel right now. So if you have the opportunity and have the time, go ahead and throw a comment down at the bottom to let you know, hey, send a shout out to one of your loved ones. Give them the opportunity to take the time today to do that. Take a picture with somebody that you care about, because I know at the end of the day, if something ever happens to him, you don't want to feel like the way I feel like today about with my nephew, and not being able to share one simple moment of love and gratitude of them being in your life. Go. Not yet.
Okay.
I can't get a good signal here.
Oh, the signal, like, kind of all over the place. You don't have it, then you do. It's just...
So she was telling me, because I'm a Pokemon Go person, so I gotta look for Pokemon. So I'm here and I look for Pokemon. But we're at the Minnesota Zoo right now, and the kids are going to just be out here. I gotta go with my mom. I gotta do a few things. I'm about to go meet my mom now. This is Big Buffalo. It's a bison. Take a look at it. Ooh, me and a homie. Bow, that's my homeboy, Big Bison. Boom. So right now I'm looking for my daughter and my mother. Mother! Where is my mother? So that's what we're doing. She's already here. I see my mom right there. She's in the car. So I'll let you guys know what's good when we get in the hood, or we get in the good old transit. Or I wouldn't say transit, but Oh, you know what? They're going. So, hold on for a second. Look who it is. Who is it?
Paris.
Paris. You want to say how your day's going?
Hey guys, my day is going very good. We're at the Minnesota Zoo. I'm about to party. Okay. It's called Turn Up. That's what it's called. That knows.
Sorry about that. I had to wipe the old camera off. The camera was real smudged, I would say. So right now, headed out here to do our thing. Little fundraiser with the boys. Like and subscribe to the channel, man. Doing our best here to get out here for your boy. I got some paperboy flame, some PVC flame on right quick. Boom. Check it out. I'm coming ready. Adding a few things on it. You see me? Woo! Paperboy. So we are out here doing a fundraiser for my homie. And hopefully we'll have a good time doing it, man. So I'm not fresh to death, but I'm out here. So let's get it. You see that? It's a zombie park. Everybody's out here Pokemoning. Straight up. Everybody. You see everybody over there? Straight Pokemoning. I be out here Pokemoning too, but I got somewhere I need to go. It's crazy. They walking zombies. Everybody Pokemoning. It's funny. They just getting it in, getting their Pokemon in. We're at the Bedlam. I do think this is the spot where I'm supposed to be here tonight. Meeting up with some peeps. See how it goes. Let's get it in. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. How's everybody doing? So we're down here at the Bedlam Theater. We're doing an event to raise some money for school supplies for kids. We've had a pretty good turnout. We've had a couple of performances. Several people have brought down notebooks, pencils, markers, different things that are definitely going to help out. I'd like to thank, Baron, Carolina Blue for coming out and filming for us tonight. He's got some of his paperboy clothing down here. We have Dynasty with Cloud Surfer clothing here. Mixie came down and performed. Headface performing right now. Scar, Lyrical Red's gonna be here. My uncle just won the dance contest. Got him an EPMD ticket.
Right on.
So
Right.
we're doing some
Right
giveaways
on.
and stuff. And
Good work, nephew. Good work.
Thank you. So we'd just like to thank everybody for coming out to support. In October, we plan on doing a coat drive, try and get coats, hats, gloves for the kids. We just want to make sure that they're nice and warm this winter. You know how it can be in Minnesota. So thank you, and thank you, Baron.
All right. Here we are. With that fella in the spot. This is what to do at the Bedlam. Two's up there doing her thing. Finally made it to the spot. Get it.
More than ever, God's alone and infinite together, never ending, never sever, climb. Let's keep on blowing, baby. 1, 2, just me and you. 3, 4, I want starting the ball with you.
Here we go.
Everything. Thanks for coming. Shout out to Richard.
Supporting the little kids. There you go. My belly. Another performance coming up by the young lady. Doing my video record thing. Having fun. Supporting the kids.
I got the Whoa. They got me, then I keep talking, gon' get a little cocky. Talk me, tell me what's up, when you claim what's up. I like the way you look when you dress up, and you know it's got me messed up. Is the fact you got me pressed up, I need text on you, hey. Deal, let's make this real.
I put a couple things in rotation. Help filter all the real from the face. Getting tools now, this is way big. Your juice like artificial flavor. It's the one close to it and sing. But thanks for contributing to my motivation. Don't be mad when my plans unfold. Put my wall with plaques in the walls. Can't explain, get a hand on my shoulders. Ain't why I chose because they chose her. Holy God was a heart for the glow. And the line made the rose and storms. On my back in the wall that I kept my voice. But I think it's about time we start this noise. 2016 was my summer. And you see money train on it. You got me, did never hit me. Speak on business productions. I work for myself cause you think it's my function. I never had help with nothing. And I never held back no punches. Heavy got hands made up, pointing my fingers. You get blood on my muscles.
Well, we're doing a giveaway. We're gonna postpone the start of the show just until people start to fill out. You know, I invited my ex-girl. I don't think she's coming though. But we're gonna do a giveaway in the meantime. You know, I don't mean to seem so down. I'm just on over that extra
chance to give them an idea of what we were doing in the 80s. And, you know, just have some fun tonight. Make some noise, man. Let's get some noise.
The person who wins the tickets.
I'm an 80s baby. I don't know
what it's a dance move contest.
I don't know if I'm gonna do it though.
All right, we'll see how it works out.
We'll see.
I will get in it, but I'm.
Hey, I got your back, man.
Maybe you could demonstrate it.
Spin that, please. I just want to tell people to spin shit. Spin that!
There you go, pop locking. That's what we do.
Is there any more?
She gonna get it just because.
This is being big, so you know. You gotta appreciate it.
Get Jalen out there.
Nobody else?
Hey, Jalen.
Y'all gonna let him take these tickets like this?
All right. Get it, Jalen.
Go ahead, get it. He's whipping his name in.
Hey, come on, I gotta get back up and finish it out. I gotta finish it out. That's the rules of the Make
they be doing now, that's the original Running Man right here.
Hi, my name is Taylor. I'm an alternative pop artist from Minneapolis, Minnesota. And you can find my music on SoundCloud at ScarlettTaylor.com.
Your favorite hippie idol, man. Straight dope way shit. Hippie makes it do this. Coming down the Green Line World. Just got done doing some footage, video footage from my homeboy at the Bedlam. Artists went in, you know, man. They did their thing. Proud of everyone that showed up and showed out. So, just had enough film footage, things like that. So, now I'm headed back to the crib. Gotta call the wife, let her know the homeboy's coming back home. So, it was overall a nice little shindig, a back for the school, back to school, fundraiser, school drive.
This is a westbound train to downtown Minneapolis.
To get the school supplies popping for the kids. So it was a great look. Good artists came out and supported it, and my man should be very impressed, very happy about the results that happened tonight for the gala, man. Very good. So I'm on my way back home.
Yeah,
Look at all the people in this.
Ain't nobody say nothing about it. Fucked up.
Look at all these.
Long ass shorts, the color gold match.
Oh, the shorty coming from.
Man, you come back here. Come back. You got that new song?
What's up?
What, damn, you recording? You said by the time you recording?
Yeah, I do video blogs.
Oh, yeah, you mean that.
Hey, you say it's about time I close up.
I don't know where they coming from. They from everywhere. They just came out of the block. I don't know where they came from. Where y'all coming from, man?
We coming from this little party.
Oh, you had a party?
Innocent.
You're innocent?
Yes.
All right.
We taking it from police.
Where y'all go?
We going to somebody's girlfriend.
Hey, you blocked your Facebook.
That's where they
Hey,
coming
he's showing the
from.
police this.
Oh, I'm not showing no police this.
Come on, that's nasty.
You work for you watched her drop that ditch and later ain't.
They look like they're having fun back in the law. They kicking it real hard, man. I don't know where they coming from, but they look like they had a good time. I ain't mad at them. This bus is packed. They
Boy,
packed.
Slim Migo, you feel me? I'm in my glow right now. As you see with my stomach on. Stop talking about spit on you on camera.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. No. Man, I'm just getting off the train, man. Just getting off the train, man, and I saw all these, like a whole bunch, man, about 60 to 70 kids running around here, man. It's 10 o'clock at night. They supposed to be somewhere, man. Wait. I'm trying to tell you, they supposed to be somewhere. They had that whole front train just bumping, full of kids acting crazy, man. I fear for them. I try to tell them. I was like, man, go home. Because what y'all finna get into, or however y'all finna get into it, it ain't gonna be good. So all these kids, I was just telling them, man, don't do nothing stupid tonight. Wherever this train or wherever everybody's going, I guarantee you go the opposite way. Don't get caught up in that. They finna get caught up in a lot of dumb stuff. Talking about shooting, banging, slanging. It's not worth it, man. Your youth. Do something more productive with your young life. Don't get in trouble behind that stupid. And don't get in trouble behind anybody else. Them back there that y'all saw on that train, them kids finna get in trouble behind some stupid stuff. They wild, yelling. None of them paid their fare. Man. And the police, I was trying to tell them, I said, the police is trailing y'all. So as soon as the dumb stuff pop off, woo, woo, woo. Y'all, it's a wrap for them. I told them, man, get off. As soon as you can, man, get off this train. At least the young girls, man, I said, go home. It's not worth it. Children, man. It's crazy.
The police had lights flashing on them.
See, like,
tell them to get their tail on home. Here go another squad car.
Like
Look
I
at all the
said
squad
earlier,
cars. Look.
I know. Like I said earlier, I told them kids to go home, and this is what happens when they don't listen.
It is 11 o'clock at night.
All these kids, you see them walking. I told them to go home. I told the little girls right over there to go home. Look at them. Now it's a Black Lives Matter.
1, 2, 3, 4 squad cars.
4 squad cars. This is what we got. 1, 2, 3.
One's finna bag up and go into
4.
the parking lot probably and go around. Yep. He's finna go around into the parking lot.
Look at these kids. I told them. You. Here, turn it up. Look. There they go.
They go to squad car inside the parking lot.
None of them paid their I told them, man. Man, I wish I was down there.
Don't listen. They finna block off the street so you can't go that way. Or they finna follow you. They got lights flashing on them.
They kicked them off the light rail. They kicked them off everything. Now they gotta go home, man.
Oh, they got off where you got off?
Nope. I got off. They trying to go to Snelling.